Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can block and unblock someone on Snapchat. Simply you have to make sure that setting you have a good Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. Simply go back to Snapchat and just go to the chat section, and you want to someone block just like that. I want to block that person, just tap on it and just go to the menu friendship and see there's an option of block, just block it. And after the block, if you want unblock of that person, just simply tap on that person just like that. If you didn't find a person, then you go to the settings section and just go to the scroll down and just go to settings section, and simply you have to find a block section. If we didn't find, just wait, we will find that. Just wait for a second. Just go to the block user, just tap on block users, and here there is an option Zany. Just tap remove from here and just see that there is an option. Are you sure you want to unblock the Snapchat? Just tap on it, yes. So that is the way you can unblock any user in your Snapchat. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.